One of the things we often want to find for a continuous distribution is not just the mean value, or E of x, but we also want to find any particular value for any particular probability. So an example of that is the median value. So let's try one of those. Let's again do the Weibull distribution. Let's take a distribution this time that has an alpha of 2.5 and a beta of 200. Okay, let's presume we want to find the median value of that. So we're looking for the median value of a Weibull distribution with a 2.5 alpha and a beta of 200. And since the Weibull distribution is not symmetric, we know that it's not going to be the mean value. It's going to be different. So we need to be able to plug into the formula to find that. So in this case, we're looking for an integration of our function such that it equals 0.5. Because the median would be the 50th percentile, or the data right in the middle of our distribution. So we simply have to take our integrated function for looking at the values under the function and substitute into that e minus x over and our beta of 200, okay, raised to the alpha of, in this case, 2.5. We want that value to equal 0.5 as we go through. So what value of x will give us the median value under the distribution? So with the magic of some math, we're going to subtract 0.5 from both sides. We're going to add this squishy term to both sides. We're going to end up much more cleanly with e to the x over 200, 2.5. It's the same term. I haven't made any changes to it yet. Is equal to 0.5. Okay, so we simply want to solve for that as we go through. We take the natural log of each side. So we know x over 200, the exponent, raised to the 2.5 is equal to the negative natural log of 0.5. Okay, we can then multiply, move our exponent over. Say that's x over 200 is equal to ln 0.5 to that 1 to the 2.5 root. Simple algebra at that point. We then multiply both sides by 200 and get 200 times negative ln 0.5 over the 1.2.5. We only have the one variable now. We simply solve that formula and find out that x in this case is 172.7269. And that in fact is our median value for a Weibull distribution with an alpha of 2.5 and a beta of 200. So again, if we want to find any other percentage, the 10th percentile, the 30th percentile, we just have to come back here and change this initial value that we do. But for the median value, we use 0.5. But I might have looked for the 5 percentile or the 15 percentile, whatever number you want to plug in, you'll carry it out with the same basic results.